50 road. Oh, it's a red light. So the library is on the left, but they're not open for 2 hours. Security 1 at Patriot Bank. I don't see anybody in their car. Oh my god. Right on. Oh, it's a red light. So the library's on the left, but they're not open for 2 hours. Security 1 at Patriot Bank. I don't see anybody in their car. Oh my god. Powers. Raleigh, come. This is Powers! Whoops. Not a through street. Oh no. It turned into the ghetto. Crime Watch. Streets and homes in this area under 24-hour surveillance. Some nice sticks. Oh no. I missed my turn and I get totally punished. That guy is going into it. That guy has no patience. How's the neighborhood? It looks a little trashy. Now we're getting into the park. That guy was going into it. I am not comforted by this in this park now that I see this careless guy. There's also a security camera. MPD, Memphis Police Department. It's a community center, so yeah. Oh no, not basketball courts. No, thank you. No, thank you. Nope. Alright. I'll pass. For a community like this, basketball courts are not something I want to deal with. Thank you. Alright, Perotti Park, Memphis Park Service, visitor information, pets permitted, vehicles permitted. Park Commission, adopt a park. I don't know if I want to do a right or a left. The tennis courts have surprised me in the past. So when I have a choice for one side basketball courts, I want another side, the other side tennis courts. In a community like this, I prefer tennis courts. But oh my god, it's trashed all around. What is all this trash about? They have a party? It's just a constant party. Raleigh Community Center, Memphis. Raleigh Community Center. Alright, I think people are just hanging out in these trucks or something weird. Yep, they're still in there. Oh my god. They've been hanging out in there ever since I got here for the past 2 hours. These guys just sit in those trucks. This house in the corner is abandoned. Clearly, clear. This is a brand new library. Garmin doesn't even recognize it. Brand new. Got that new look. Library on the left. I don't know. Oh, police department's on the right. All the police and government vehicles on the right. Exhibit. Alright. So I expect a pretty decent library here. Oh my god. They got serious security here. I don't like the parking. I'm gonna move down. I don't like this slanted parking. It's a little too much for me. Maybe here can be fine. Oh, no, on one. Okay, library's on the left. This is a brand new library. Garmin doesn't even recognize it. Got that new look. Oh, yeah. Alright. A library on the right or the left? Okay, on the left. Police and government vehicles on the right. Raleigh Library in Memphis, Tennessee. Raleigh Library. Alright. Yeah, not much is going to be seen here. Easy. Easy now. 5 miles straight down this road. Oh, okay. Getting away from Memphis. I've seen enough. traffic free. Four-way stop here. Pleasant Ridge Road. Welcome to Millington, Tennessee. Millington Area Chamber of Commerce. And there's a military base at Millington that makes me wish that I did retire from the military, because I could have just driven on, shopped at the store, used the car like hobby shop. I can see all that on Google Maps. The car hobby shop. I remember using a car hobby shop on Kadena Air Force Base to like change my oil. That's pretty cool. It's like a standard, and that's really helpful for military veterans to be able to just go to the military base and use the car hobby shop to do a little light repair. Alright. It's something else here. These buildings look really nice. New home. Ooh, I turn here. It's got some real curves around here. Oh, careful. Wanna Drive. There's some nice houses. 30. All nice brick buildings. Yeah, this is outside of Memphis. No vehicles allowed. So people are saving their money living outside of Memphis. I'm thinking they're probably getting a lot of work in Memphis, making some good money in Memphis, and just willing to make that long commute to be able to live in a nice neighborhood outside of the metropolis. Looks like I got a car behind me. Stoplight up ahead. I'm going to like a park. Okay. Gotta go through the nice neighborhoods to get to that park. There's no baseball fields, no softball fields. I did see a children's playground. Oh yeah, these houses look a little more rough. Oh, stop! Jeez. What's that smell? Wow. You know, that stop sign, that's like either not big enough or something. I almost ran that stop sign. Got to pay less attention to the side of the road. That's a strange thing going on there. Alright, I am turning into Aycock Park. And there's already somebody here. Two people. 3 people. Alright, Millington, Tennessee. Millington, Tennessee. A whole quarter. Spray it down. Relax. The library is only a mile away. Only. It's on the left side. Tail sticking up. Grass. It's in too deep. A whole quarter. Spray it down. Relax. The library is only a mile away. Only. It's on the left side. All right. Goodies to eat. Loans, debit cards, checks cashed. All right. There you go. Across that road. Millington Public Library. On the right. Oh, did I pass it here? Uh-oh. Okay, there it is. And then I saw that there's nice parking on the back. I liked what I saw.
Millington Public Library.
Handicap. Reading helps bloom your mind. I saw trees, but they're not leaved like they were on the Google Maps. And they're not providing the same amount of shade. Wow, it is busy here. I definitely want my door facing away. This is the last spot. Jeez, okay. Well, I'll take it. Give me some aggression. Oh, I think I'm just gonna go. Ooh, yeah. Funeral home. Flashing lights. Goodies to eat. Loans, debit cards, checks cashed.
Turn left at the traffic light.
across that road. On the right.
Millington Public Library.
Millington Public Library. On the right. Oh, do I pass it here? Uh-oh. Okay, there it is. And then I saw that there's nice parking in the back. I liked what I saw.
Millington Public Library.
Handicap reading helps bloom your mind. I saw trees, but they're not leaved like they were on the Google Maps. And not providing the same amount of shade. Wow, it is busy here. I definitely want my door facing away. This is the last spot. Jeez, okay. Well, I'll take it. Millington, Tennessee. Millington, Tennessee. Alright, I'm going.
Right on Wilkinsville Road. Then
Nope.
take the second right.
Oh, taking a left. Going to Chickasaw Trail. And it's 10 miles away. It's really not on the way to anything. I don't think kids come first at this school. Hey, okay, go, go, go. As long as I don't get hit. 'Cause it looks abandoned, actually. Yeah, EA Herald. I think they're abandoned. Got some housings. I'm not in a rush to get to this Chickasaw Trail. I kind of want to spend the night too. Charles Bartlett closed 2 miles ahead. Uh-oh. Oh my god, that is a house. That's a bad house too. But they got nice houses across the street from it. And neighboring too on the neighboring property. You know, when I see these abandoned houses with the Regrid app, I'd like to check that. Okay, this vegetation in this field is really weird. I can't see it. A lot of farm properties on my way to the Mississippi River, which is forest. Straight west of here is Tennessee land, bordering the Mississippi River. I'd have to go all the way back to Memphis to cross that Mississippi. There's no bridge for many miles further north. So it's a lot of untamed land around these parts. And going in, there's a lot of like little hobby farms, country style living. Although these people, there's quite a few people around here, it looks like. They're kind of close. Outskirts. People living on the outskirts. Trucker here. Very, very curvy. Very curvy. Smell of skunk. Oh man, a castle. I don't think I'll be able to catch that fast enough. Sort of. Oh. Alright, somebody's going to be trailing me. very curvy. Alright, I'm not being trailed. Shut fast enough. Sort of. It's pretty neat. Nice green field of probably wheat. Take a left up ahead. They gotta have a flashing light for the stop sign. It's a T intersection. Yeah, people might accidentally blow through that, huh? Cross traffic does not stop. Noble landscaping. Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping for a little peace and quiet out here. On this windy road. Green roof, that's pretty neat. Yeah, people are really nestled. Yeah, it's hard to pay attention and record. They're so hidden in the forests. Yeah, a car could actually be approaching me and I'd be very dangerously not paying attention. I kind of wish I had 3 cameras for this now. I would be able to pay attention better. Hitting it a little hard. Got a fence. I can see the checkered flag. No dumping. This is pretty much all dead end. So anybody that comes out here it's a very specific purpose. It's not a area you just travel through. That is not an abandoned house. They just have a lot of old stuff on their property. Wow. A lot of old broken down cars. They just can't get off their property. They'd have to tow those. Serious fencing on the left and right. All these people really got some fencing. Squirrel on the road. Spikes on the fence. Serious fencing throughout here. Bush hogging. I don't know if I could accurately capture these homes. They're very interesting. They're so hidden in the trees.